Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic V2 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And okay, currently we are in the standard photo mode and we do not have any options right here. Let me try to unroll the top bar. We do not have something like that. However, we have to swipe our finger from the bottom to the top in order to open options. And in the general section, we've got the timer almost at the very bottom of it. We've got 3 different options, so off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. Let me choose 10 seconds delay, just tap on it. As you can see, it will be immediately applied. This option is marked, so we can go back. What is more, we've got the kind of a notification inside the shutter button, which is a really nice touch, thanks to which we can always be sure whether we've got the timer set or not. So all we have to do right now is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, so this is how it works. Of course, you can always turn off the timer just by tapping on this crossed out icon, and if it is highlighted, we can go back, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.